Oh, dude.
Check Twitter. But if that's a normal habit, then that's nothing to worry about. But if it suddenly changes, then that might cause fears. If in doubt, hire a PI.
So red light.
We've reassured you today, Barbara.
Yeah, you have.
Red light and they all
I
still
think that's
go.
been a resounding success today, James.
Oh, it's naughty. That was a red light. Naughty, naughty, Mr. High and Dry. Red light. What are you doing? Now you're a bicycle.
Looking around, I can't see any of you guys. I can see a transit and a Vauxhall. Ah!
What you doing? Really?
Well, they don't know where they're going. He's an idiot.
Cock.
It happens on Bath Road all the time.
Red light.
I thought I had mentioned it several times.
Yes, you have, but I just... Well, not today you haven't.
Oh.
We said we'd go to Argos, but...
Yeah.
Oh, that's a red light.
Oh well.
That one there is definitely a red light then, isn't it? Is it? Right, I'll watch the light for them. You watch them coming around in case a Jeep jumps it. Red, 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 red.
Yeah, well...
Must have gone through red then. Yes, mate, it's definitely green. Oh, it's a red light. Red light, red light. It's at www.dad-online.co.uk. Well, I suppose if they can afford personalised registration plates, they can afford the fines for going for red lights, can't they? Oh, you could have stopped. You could have easily stopped. One of those drivers, are you?
3 people were questioned after the same boy's wrist was injured. BBC.
Let's talk about now you're listening. To be more precise,
That's a red light, isn't it? That's a red light. And Audi still goes, and the van still goes. That's been red for ages. And the BMW as well, who's actually indicating. Makes a change.